Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today we're continuing on our holiday decorating series with holiday lighting. I think holiday lighting is one of the most important things when it comes to creating an experience in your home, and today I want to bring lighting inside of our space and outside into the backyard so we can really create an extended experience. I'm very excited because this is one of our favorite rooms of the house, our sunroom, and it has all wraparound windows. So I want to extend our lighting design into the backyard so we can really create a holiday moment. I'm so excited to be partnering on this video with Govee. They sent over some of their most incredible holiday lighting. They're very well known for their RGB colorful interactive lights, but they have so many more DIY capabilities that are customizable, and I can't wait to create my own design for this house. So I hope you guys enjoy watching, and I hope this gives you some ideas on how you can use Govee lighting around your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and start installing. Now outside, this is the main pathway we use to enter our home every day, so I want to create a whole holiday experience down this aisle here. We're going to be wrapping a lot of these trees. We're also going to be installing some Govee cone tree lights throughout the backyard as well to really make it feel like a whimsical holiday forest. To tie it all together, we're going to be installing all around the sunroom here the Govee permanent Christmas lights. These are very subtle. They lay flat against your eaves, so you don't see them throughout the year. You can keep them up all year round. You can use them as regular lighting to brighten up your home outside, or use them to coordinate throughout the season. So Halloween and holiday, you can create your own look. How easy is that? They just peel and stick right on. With Govee lighting, it makes it very easy because everything's controlled through the Govee app. You can coordinate your lighting, plan your designs, use your color palettes, and turn your lighting on and off all through the app. These are incredible. There's over 100 different preset modes that you can go through for every single occasion. So I love that we can use these on a daily basis, but also use them around the holidays. They sync with other Govee outdoor lights so that all of your lights can coordinate together. And then of course continuing the lighting into this space as well. Now the Christmas tree is obviously the main moment in every holiday space, so I really want to highlight the Christmas tree with the Govee Christmas sparkle string lights. You can use these on any kind of tree, real tree, artificial tree, pre-lit tree or not, and wrap them around your Christmas tree. These are fully customizable, and through the Govee app you can actually map out your tree pattern and it will automatically coordinate all of your lights so that your patterns and designs and color palettes are working perfectly. These have 16 million color options and tunable pure white lights, so these are very customizable. If you want to create your own custom color or design, you can definitely do that with the Govee lights. I have never seen Christmas string lights like these before. They are so unique. They make your tree come to life. You can also create AI generated lighting effects with voice, text, or image prompts. So if you're watching a specific movie, you can match your Christmas tree to that look as well. There's so many good preset designs, but some of my favorite are stars. This is a warm twinkling light, so it really gives you that viral Christmas tree moment, that sparkling look. It's so pretty. I love how warm the lights are. Another good one is Stars B. This has a little bit more color variation in it. You get the cool colors, you even get a mix of warm, so it's very pretty on a Christmas tree. And then another fun one is Bow B. This goes from this Christmas light colored look to a multicolored look, so if you really want to play around with colors, this is a fun one to try. Now back to stars, because that is the ultimate pretty classic look. I love the way it looks in here. Now I want to make sure that I can coordinate both of our trees, so I wrapped this tree in the Govee Christmas sparkle string lights as well. That way we can match the trees together or create two different color palettes and designs. This makes it super simple and easy to get stunning lighting effects in your home. Since we have this full wall of windows, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to use the Govee Curtain Lights Pro. These are really cool. It's a full strip of lights that hang vertically across any vertical surface. So you can use these indoors, outdoors, and it pretty much offers you this canvas to upload your own images, animations. You can go through the preset library Govee has and pick your own scenes. So it really creates an experience in your home. Now, since the TV is in the center of our family room, I really want to use it as a key moment to tie together all of the lighting. So we're going to be installing the Govee TV Backlight 3 Pro. It really creates this glowing experience from your TV out. So whatever's on your screen, color-wise, motion-wise, you're gonna get this full lighting experience on the outside of your screen as well that glows against your walls and creates a full experience. It's gonna be so cool. Once your lighting's installed, it's very easy to customize your designs and control your lighting through the Govee app. It just makes things so simple. I love that they have a huge product range, but they're all very easy to mix and match and combine together using the Govee app. So you can create your own scenes and color palettes and designs, dimmable features all through the Govee app. I love that they have fun preset designs, but they also have DIY features where you can customize your own color palettes and lighting designs so that you can create your own custom look. I love the Govee AI and music features that they have. The lighting can dance to music. So if you are having a holiday party, if you're hosting for the holidays, your lighting can move with the music, which is just absolutely incredible. I am so excited about that feature. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me and decorating the inside and outside of our home with Govee lighting. It is completely transformed and it's definitely holiday ready now. I hope this video gave you some ideas on how you can install Govee lighting all around your home as well. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!